I'm Melanie K, or as most people know and call me, Mel. I am Mel, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you March's Papergang box. If you are new to my channel, please push subscribe, push that notification bell, because I post on Mondays, Wednesdays and Saturdays at 6 PM UK time, because I am in the UK. And I also do random collabs. I post occasionally on other days too, because I do collabs and open invites with other YouTuber friends. So I hope you enjoy this video. This is March's Papergang, and if you didn't know what Papergang is a monthly subscription box for stationery basically. It is UK based but ships worldwide, and for me it's £12.50 including packaging, postage and packaging, so it's pretty reasonable, and I think this is actually my favourite box to get. And if I was to stop doing unboxings, what would you not want me to stop unboxing basically? Please answer that in the comments down below, because I'm thinking about having a little bit of change around. So anyway, I hope you enjoy. This is March's Papergang. This is the box, and it's just like a flat lay photo basically, how I describe this, of flowers and spring-like, basically. Yeah, that's what I'd call it, right? And it is, so this is collabed, this box is with Oh Dear, like Papergang, and the butterfly conservation. So £1 per box sold goes towards protecting the butterflies, moths and our environment. So that's what that says in the corner there. And then on the back, I'm going to try my hardest. You can make an origami butterfly, which is pretty neat actually. I think that's quite cool. And I hope to do that actually, because by the looks of it you can make it like 3D and fly like. Anyway, each box I've had minus one has been like this, so a cardboard box with a sleeve on it. I'm going to open this box now with you. I don't know what's inside it. This came, well, I wanted this for video for last week, but it didn't come in time, so I picked it up from my mum's last week. I don't remember when it was. It wasn't the weekend, because I normally film at weekends, and that'd be better that way, wouldn't it? And so I'm going to open it now with you and share what's inside. So this is for March. So each box comes like this in the cardboard with the sleeve. I've had one that's not, it's been a cylinder, but it tells you how Papergang works on the lid of the box. And then it's always got, this is really exciting, tissue paper to match the theme of the box, and they've gone for purple this month. Obviously this didn't fit inside, so I have got one thing there, but I'll open the tissue paper now, because there's always a leaflet in here that tells me how much the stuff is. Because if you go on their website, if you like something from this box, say for instance you like this that was in the box separately, then you could go buy that rather than the whole box on their website, but it's not for all products. Okay, so this is the Papergang leaflet, and this is the one you get each month, and it tells you how much things there are. And then also inside it, it says, it's talking about the collabor, which is the butterfly. Talks about the collabor as well in this, which is the butterfly conservation. So it tells you a bit about the charity and working better for the environment. And then there is a quote by Sir David Attenborough, who is the president of the Butterfly Conservation. And it tells me about how getting a free box, blah blah blah, referring people. And then it says, how can you help? Fundraising, recording and monitoring, volunteering, gardening, and get out for the count. And that's a bit more information. And the back of this tells you more information on the butterfly conservation. Okay, so I'll keep this open so I can tell you how much things are as we go through. Okay, so I'll start with what was outside the box. Bearing in mind your theme is going to be pretty much like this and butterfly orientated. So the first thing I have got are these butterfly paper clips, and these retail at £3.95. So there's a box of these, and it is pretty full, which is handy. And then I'll try to show you how this looks. And so that is what the paper clips look like. And these are really cool, I think, well, for paper clipping things together, if you need paper clips, if you need paper clips, or as bookmarks. I think they're really good because they clip the page in where you are, so it's gonna stay, being that it's metal or like wire. So that is £3.95 if you want a box of butterfly clips, and it's a pack of 20. Okay, the next thing I have got out, which is really lovely, and pins are something that are really in at the moment and, what's it, on trend. So this is gorgeous. It's a gold and black butterfly pin. And I think this is really nice just to have on like my dungarees or my pinafore or even my coat. It's really nice, and it obviously presents the butterfly or conservation, but this is really nice. And I even think something like this would be something like my grandma would wear because she likes pins on her coats. But I think this is lovely. And your pin, enamel pin, costs £5.95. If you want to buy this, this should be available on their website. Next thing I have got is to claim 20% off your next order at Jewellery Box. I'm really into jewellery at the moment, so I will be taking a look at their website. I'll take a look at their website for sure because I'm really into jewellery, and this is 20% off. So yeah, this is with the code PAPER20. Next thing, oh look, I've just found something that my niece will love as well as me, but I'm not showing you next, I'm just opening this first. The next thing I have got are 3 A5 prints. So they're like posters. If you didn't know this about me, you probably don't, I would say, that I love butterflies. At my mum and dad's house, where I used to live when I was growing up, I had a whole wall of butterflies going up the wall in like fuchsia pink, on like a pale pink wall, and it was lovely. I loved that. But when I moved here, I wanted a grey wall, a more mature wall, so this is why I've gone for my grey and floral theme. So I'll show you these ones. This says, "There are always flowers for those who want to see them." That's true. The next one are 3 purple butterflies, and it tells you what they are called. I don't think some of these are purple butterflies in real life, just to tell you, because the middle one says orange tip, so I don't think that that is, but correct me if I'm wrong. And the last one is the same print as the pin, and I absolutely love all of these. I love quotes especially at the moment, so I feel like I want to frame these and put these up somewhere in my flat. I'm not sure where, maybe in the bathroom, because I have a spare wall there, and there's it's a purple theme in my bathroom. So I am loving these, and if you wanted to buy them, all 3 are £12.95 together, and they'll be available on Oh Dear's website, but I think I really will put these up. The next thing, which is something that I am so grateful that it is back in this box and was last month, is the calendar, which can be used for any month. But I like this one. It's the butterfly theme, but it's like it's been photocopied. And if you aren't following me on Instagram, please do. It is at Melanie_Kate official. and you will see that on the 1st of each month I post hello whatever month. So hello April will be next, for example. You cannot buy that unless you buy this box. That is the only thing that you cannot buy other than this box. And then the final thing I have in this box, which is something that I love and use very often, and obviously I journal each day, but this is something I really need to get back into doing more, and so I'm excited to have this. So this is an A4 desk pad, and it says my week, doodles, notes and to do, and it's the print of the box. Now, my niece comes over often, not like every week, but often, and every time she leaves, she goes with something. So I was her afternoon tea yesterday. This is Saturday when I'm filming it, so it was Friday. And I've just remembered now, she's still got 2 of my pens, and she's still got my dinosaur, one of these, which is fine, she can have that. But I want my pens back, and I told Denise I wanted my pens back, so I've got to get them off of her. But stuff like this she loves as well. So I've got her a bullet journal and stuff for her birthday like that, because I know she will love it. Because she does it all over, all here. Every time she comes, she does it. So she can keep the dinosaur one of these to do as well. But this is something lovely, and if you needed a little bit more motivation or something to push you a bit further this week, this is a good idea to have, and you can split your activities by the days of the week. So if you want this, it's £7.95. And that is everything I got in my Papergang box for March. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what your favourite thing is from this box, and please also subscribe, push that notification bell to see when I post. Thanks for watching, bye!